So you have a pair of the AirPods Pro 3, and you have an issue where only one of the earbuds is working and the other one is not. All right, so let's go ahead and fix this. So first thing we're going to do, try several different things. Okay, so the first thing we're going to do is factory reset it. Make sure that both the buds are in the case, open it up, and then right away double tap 3 times. 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2. Now it turns amber or orange. Now it's factory resetting. Give it a moment and it's going to turn white. Just like that, reset is done, and now it's in pairing mode. Now go ahead and take buds out and see if both of them are working together. If it's not working, then we're going to go to the next step here. Okay, so next step here. Let's say the right earbud is not working, but it doesn't matter. What we're going to do is we're going to pull both of the buds out, and I want you to blow inside. You see that middle contact down there? Blow hard, and just do both of them. Don't just do one of them that's not working, okay? So blow it hard. Blow it on the other side too. Now go ahead and get the buds and just rub your fingers on that contact on both of them. Now place them both back in the case. And now you want to go ahead and plug in the charger, and you want to leave it here for 5 minutes charging. After 5 minutes, come back, take these both out, pop them in there, and hopefully they are both working now. If it's still not working, then the next thing we're going to do is this. If you have some kind of like dust off like this, or shoot just like compressed air, we can do it. Instead of blowing in there, we can take both of them out, and this time we can really gun it in there. Whatever in there. And then same thing, just make sure you rub these contacts again, give it a little nice rub, make sure there's no sticky stuff or Kool-Aid or lotion, and then put it back in here, and then go ahead and charge it again. Wait 5 minutes. After 5 minutes, go ahead and whip them out, put them in your ear, and see if they both work. Now, if it still doesn't work at this point, then right now, go ahead and do the factory reset again, okay? So now, let's say all the steps didn't work. Now we're back to the factory reset again, okay? So we're going to do it again. Let's pop open that lid, and then double tap, double tap, double tap 3 times. Now it's orange again, or amber. So just wait until it turns white, blinking there. Now, from here, your buds it should be charged. Now put them in your ear, and now, hopefully, both of them are working. Any questions, issues, comment below. If this worked for you, please comment what step worked for you, all right?